Go, 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 go! Woo! Episode, guys. Back out at sea on another adventure, another Baden and Kida adventure, isn't that right, girl? Oh, so lovely to be back out here. Shit, fish. Oh, he's a big boy. Woo! Come on. Spanish. Down there, wrap that bit around his tail, pull real hard, and then hopefully bring it up. Get it along GoPro. Whew, there we go. Oh! Come on! Chill the fuck out! Look at that! It's a monster! Want to see something cool? Check out this beauty! Big Spanish mackerel! Woohoo! Can't even tell you the last time I got a mackerel. Oh, beautiful size too. I'm gonna be eating good for ages. It's gonna fill up the fridge for sure. Just as I was having my lunch too. Anyway, so I'm on my way to the outer reefs because, believe it or not, the Cairns actually has surf at the Barrier Reef, not in Cairns. Don't come to Cairns to surf. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually catch up with a friend, Connor. He's out there at the moment. Hopefully there's actually some surf out there, and I'm gonna meet him out there, and then hopefully we're gonna catch some waves. So I'm really keen for that because I've been wanting to go out to the Barrier Reef and go surfing for so long. Fingers crossed that goes well. And then I'm gonna have this for dinner. Two great things happening today. One, I caught a big Spanish mackerel. Two, I'm gonna get some surf. Woo! Today's a good day. Ah, hey Kida, pretty good, isn't it? Yeah, girl. Woo! All right, let's get cracking.
I went through old letters that you wrote me and followed your words to the bottom of the page to find all the things that you tried to show me months ago at the bottom of the page.
How freaking cool is all this?
All the words that I once knew, oh, I gave to you, yes, I gave to you. And all of the words that I want to know have dried up in the back of my
Let me start this off by saying, holy shit, today is amazing. Big Spanish mackerel, dolphins swimming at the front of my boat. Like 10 of them, 12, 15, I don't know, a lot. Third, I'm about to go surfing at the Great Barrier Reef. So pretty much we had like a cyclone that was supposed to hit like 2 days ago. Didn't hit Cairns, just missed us, pushed a bunch of swell our way, and now apparently we have waves out of the Barrier Reef. I'm gonna drop the dinghy down, jump on my board, go over there and catch some waves. In Cairns. I am so psyched. This is like one of the best days ever. I probably say that every time I go out to the reef, but I just love being out here so much. Alright, let's go. Best reef surf I've ever had. Oh my god, I've been wanting to do this for years. Woo! That was absolutely insane. Oh my god, that was some of the best reef surf I've ever had. They weren't huge, like it wasn't ginormous waves, but it was enough to catch on a short board. Because usually every time I go to the reef, I have to go surfing on my longboard just because the waves aren't big enough to actually catch it on a short board. But this time round, I got pretty lucky. Freaking sick. I'm so stoked about that. Now I guess we're gonna go over to Apollo because Kida's getting pretty reckless and she wants to go for a run, and there's no real beaches here for her to run on. So we're gonna pull up the anchor and then we're gonna go to that. So let's go. Feel like I'm still gonna go for a spear. You never know, I might find a cray or something. So I'm just gonna head to the edge of that reef over there. Jump in the water, just go for a snorkel. If there's anything good to shoot, then I'll spear it, but I don't really need any more fish. But if I find a cray or something, then I'll take that. And then I'll take Kida ashore, and we might even cook that mackerel up on the beach. That might be nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna get my spear gear out now. Boom. Should I throw it? Oh, I really don't want it to fall in the water. Fuck it. Alright, ready? Boom! Shot! Fins and gloves. Boom! Alright, now I just got a slip, up, slap, and jump in the dinghy.
By the afternoon, we're waltzing in the other room. Give me all your love, give me all your love, give me all your love. Won't you give me all your love, give me all your love, give me all your
successful spear. It was super murky and my goggles kept fogging up like crazy. So bad. I'd like keep water in my goggles down the bottom and like dip my head up and down just so I'd wash the fog out of the goggles. Anyway, I'll go back to the boat now and then probably clean the bottom of the boat. Yeah, because it's really dirty, so I'll do that now.
Feet are on the dashboard, my eyes on the road. I always knew I'd get here, I just thought I'd be alone. Trees tie the skyline, the sun is on the run. There's no turning back now, this love has just begun. And I've never been so sure of anything.
What are you doing on there? You got sand all over
We
it,
are sleeping on my
Silly
shoulder, dancing in a dream. It feels like getting older, ain't as scary as it seems. When you're sleeping on
Alright, let's cook some food because I'm hungry.
my dream, it feels like getting older. Going somewhere slowly, selling
Yum.
something sweet. Goodbye to the lonely, the pleasure was mine to me. And I've never been so sure of settling. When you're sleeping on my shoulder, dancing in a dream, it feels like getting older, ain't as scary as it seems. When you're sleeping on my shoulder.
And she's ready for cooking. Alright, so I had the barbecue preheating for about like 3 minutes or so. Oh yeah, she's hot. And that's it. Start on there. Beautiful. That. Yum. Alright. Doesn't spill. Shut that lid. Let it cook. Mackerel cooking over there for a little bit. Now, I just wanted to say thanks so much for watching my video, guys. I know there's not many of you out there, but I appreciate it so much every time you like, subscribe, or share my videos. It brings me one step closer to living this kind of life every single day. And who knows, maybe even bringing you guys along with me. I know I haven't been posting very many videos lately because my not better life is getting in the way of that. You know, work and bills and rain and all that non-fun stuff. I'm really trying to get into posting more videos for you guys because I really do love coming out here and making this kind of content. It's what I hope to do in the future every single day of my life. That's the dream anyway. Alright, I'm gonna make my way back over to the mackerel, hopefully it's done cooking, and have some dinner on sunset. Come here! Come here, girl! Yeah! Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Yes, you are. Alright. Woo! Oh, God. I know you've seen it on 1,000 different fishing shows, YouTube shows about anything to do with fish, but god damn, that's yum. Boom. Yum. It's good, doesn't it? Just came to this side, okay? Just 'cause it's a bit prettier. So if we put this camera down. Check out that. There we go. Can't get that line. Unreal. Ooh, yeah. She likes it too. Right. Good. Alright, well, I'm gonna finish eating this mackerel and then me and Kida are gonna watch the sun go down. So if you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me if you haven't already. If you have, bloody legends. And I'll see you guys for the next episode. Hopefully it's sooner than later. Bloody bone.